सो हाय एवरीवन। आज है 7 तारीख अप्रैल का महीना एंड मार्केट ओपन हो चुका है। सोमवार का दिन है एंड यू कांट इमेजिन व्हाट इज बीन डन टुडे बिकॉज मार्केट हैज ओपनड a literal 900 points gap down. Can't even imagine what is happening. बैंक निफ्टी ने ओपनिंग दी है 49,200 के पास एंड इट इज टोटली आउट ऑफ द प्लान दैट व्हाट वुड हैपन नेक्स्ट। लेट्स सी 200 का ब्रेकआउट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है मार्केट। यहाँ पर देखो ऊपर के सेलर्स को तो बिल्कुल ही टारगेट नहीं किया जा सकता अभी के लिए। तो आज के दिन बाइंग साइड का पोजीशन बनाना खतरों से खाली नहीं। सो व्हाट वी विल बी प्लानिंग इज वी विल सेल इनटू द मार्केट बट लेट्स सी 800 का ब्रेकआउट अभी अभी हुआ है 72,000 एंड इन बैंक निफ्टी 400 का ब्रेकआउट हो चुका है। सो लेट मी ऐड अ स्ट्राइक प्राइस हियर। And when imagine this much amount of gap down, the put premiums are so high that I can't buy them also. Even the at the money put option, which is trading at 295 rupees. There is no sign of sustenance here, of course. I am putting the orders in my phone. What I have got is the short retracement here. But the put premiums are literally very high today. I don't know why this is happening. 22,350 put is looking good for today's trade, and also 22,400, which is very out of the money put because we cannot. Okay, what happened right now? I think these are the monthly options. So I have added the strike prices here only in my put options are literally very high. I think the 22,150 put option and 22,100, also 21,000 put option, which is very high, very out of the money. I think thinking a lot here would not be a good decision. Let's have the positions input here. Literally, they are not waiting for. It was 22,000, 21,000 put option, which I am adding because of the volatility. It's not giving us a small retracement also to buy. So I have placed the order, and unfortunately we haven't get, so I have to modify that. Okay, so I've got the price at 165, which is a little bit high only. This put option I have in 21,000. This is the position that I have entered into. Looking into the chart also, good retracement candle in the 1 minute. So probability of market going call side will be high. 22,300 call option is already there. And 2,400 call option is already there. 22,450 call option. Okay, it is looking good. But I have to see that 2450 कॉल ऑप्शन ऐसा नहीं है कि मार्केट यहाँ से टारगेट कर सकता है ओके लुक एट द फ्लक्चुएशंस नाउ so order is rejected completely so what about the call option can why I am entering into the call option is okay not getting the order I have to go a little bit or out of the money to get the price taking resistance from exact 400 in bank Nifty 50,400 and showing a little bit of rejection from there but one thing is from the exact high, which is 22,000, 50,200. It has taking resistance. So entering into the call option would be just I have to go a little or out of the line. So finally got the orders. And let me place the stop loss also. What happened in that position is I'm not getting any good price to place the stop loss. So that's why I have to exit immediately. In the one lot only, you can imagine in one lot I have got minus 3,000 of PNL, which is unbearable. So place the stop loss here. No doubt market is totally volatile today. And the whole option 22,550. At least a 200 breakout could be seen hereafter. Let's see what we can get. The amount of gap down it has given, I am not expecting more momentum after 200 breakout. So that's why. And the first trade, you can see the orders. 165 price I have got and got exit at 71. Could you imagine how much number of points I have lost here? So no worries. Market is being market. Because I am operating in phone, there is a misoperation happened during the trade. And about the orders that I am not getting in placing it. Well, there is a high possibility that 400 breakout could happen because why there is no chance of market is going downside because there is no stop losses available there. Looking at the 5 minute candles, people might have bought. That is also a very less probability. There's a good amount of gap available in call options. But the question is that how much fluctuation that we'll have to face to get that much of gap. Let's see. Also, another thing, the amount of move happened here, not happened in any kind of premium also. So that is also pending. Let's see. I think I will get 20,000 breakout, 22,200 breakout. But yes, no way we can't target the sellers from the upside here. Let's say I will update you if anything happens. So the position is going good for 22,200 breakout. Once the price comes under our risk management, I will stop the day. So I have to plan now for exit also because the amount of general amount which I am generally targeting in my daily life, I have got that also. Otherwise, I can wait for a little bit higher also. But one thing that need to be kept in mind is within this 5 minute candle closing, if I doesn't book, there is a kind of retracement happen after that to remove the randomness of market. I think placing this would be a good option only. I think in fluctuation, I will get the target. Let's see. I have placed the order, not getting that right now also. Again, I have to modify that. Only 4 points of distance from the regular interval. So in this premium only, the target could possibly be somewhere close to 130. But can I wait for that? That's the question. If in the next 1.30 seconds, if I'm not getting the orders, then I have to definitely exit. I think this fluctuation would give me that order. Okay, I've got the orders. So there is a retracement happening on 72,800 breakout. The round number breakout happened in all three indices. So possibility of a downside move happens here. And there is no as such volume available. 53 is the price that I have got. Because no volume available there, that's why I have entered into that. What could be the possible expectation from here is I'm expecting a little bit of momentum only. But yes, the fluctuations are high. In gap down, people would be fearing of selling only because 800 breakout happened. People would be definitely bought there. It is taking so much time for the selling momentum. That's why there is a thing to be concerned about. No doubt people would be having fear to sell there. There is no as such stretch from the market, so I need to place it very close. I'm getting that price also. So let's set this position right here. As you can see, it has taken resistance exactly from the 200, right? In case of Nifty, if this candle reverses completely, So if this candle reverses completely, there could be a possibility of upside momentum after the breakout of 80, 92 something. The shocking fact is I'm not getting the price at, at wherever I am placing the limit orders. In this premium only, I have got the price of 83 in this premium, which I am following right now, but it has gone till 71, but not moved above 80 as of now. So what that can indicate is the call side momentum could be possible here, but yes, in normal scenarios, it would be going towards downside as the huge gap down happened in the market. You cannot predict anything. Above 89, above 90, there could be a possibility of high breakout. Yes. सो यहाँ पर completely sideways market है and upside का momentum क्यों दिखा रहा है market क्योंकि यहाँ पर अच्छे से sellers को accumulate कर चुका है. In Sensex you can see that 400 breakdown already happened here. 72,400 breakdown here with good volumes. The selling candle came, which is the indication of buyers to come into the market. Means if you can say that when the breakdown happens with a good volume, there is a clear accumulation of sellers happening over there, and after that momentum is going in our direction only, which is towards buying side. What is happening? Maybe there is some sort of news around the market, but you can say that the momentum could be at least till the day high breakout. Or what we can conclude here is market can stay within this range for today because and I think it should close towards upside only because other than that there is no possibility of market being so much bearish from here onwards. And the chart is totally destroyed in the डेली टाइम फ्रेम क्योंकि यहाँ पर जितने भी बायर्स मतलब ये जो मोमेंटम जो देख के हम लोग खुश हो रहे थे फ्रॉम 21,971 टू लेके एक लगभग जो 2000 पॉइंट का मोमेंटम निफ्टी में कंटिन्यूअस रैली हुआ था वो कंप्लीटली कोलैप्स हो चुका है आज के दिन. एंड जितने भी इन्वेस्टर्स ये देख के खुश हो गए थे कि चलो मार्केट में गैप अप हो गया है या फिर मार्केट अपसाइड मोमेंटम करने के लिए रेडी हो चुका है उन सब का मतलब स्टॉप लॉस वगैरह सब कुछ क्योंकि यहाँ पर जनरली लोगों के स्टॉप लॉस होंगे बड़े इन्वेस्टर होंगे उनका भी स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो चुके हैं और जनरली पैनिक सिनेरियो क्रिएट हो चुका है ऑलरेडी मार्केट में. यहाँ से फिर फर्दर मार्केट अपसाइड का मोमेंटम करेगा देयर इज अ वेरी लेस प्रोबेबिलिटी. तो जितने भी लोग अपने एसआईपी को रिज्यूम किए थे क्योंकि मार्केट ने अपसाइड मोमेंटम दिखाया था इसीलिए वो सब लोग फिर से बंद करने जा रहे हैं एसआईपी. And this is what today's market is, and there is no as such possibility of market being retracing for this level to till 78,000. Market is being market, कुछ भी कर सकता है market, लेकिन yes, very low probability of this happening because it is not something which is expected from the investors also. हुआ होगा कुछ न्यूज वगैरह के कारण. I don't think there is a possibility of this market to recover or this gap to be filled. So this is what today's market is.